Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about variables and operations, and comes under object oriented programming course for second years. So variables is nothing but it is a container that holds the value when a program gets executed. So variable is assigned with which data type. So in basically data type is very important in order to give memory allocation for the particular variable. For example, if I'm using integer, so I want only 2 bytes. But in case of float, I want 4 bytes. So memory allocation plays a major role for your programming. So I want to tell in the initial stage itself, these are the variables I am using, and this is of type this data type, so that this many memory allocations will be done for the particular variables. That is what main concept for declaring variables before starting your program. It may be C or Java. We will initially declare your variables and along with the data types of it. For example, here we have int data equal to 10. So data is a variable name and it holds the value 10. So in memory, what will happen means in the name of data memory 2 bytes data will be allocated because it is of type int. So in a RAM memory will be allocated and this is a reserved area. So I'm initializing data equal to 10, right? That value will be assigned to the particular space inside your data area, that is of data of variable data, and it is also have a memory allocation, and this is not visible for the users. If you want to do it and you can print the address of the particular variable name, then you can print it. So variables of we have three types of variables in Java. One is local, instance, and a class. So these are the three types of variables in Java. So local variable is nothing but these variables are declared inside the method, and this will be used only inside the particular method. And for instance variables are declared inside the classes but outside the method, will be inside the inside the class but outside the method. And for instance class for class, so variables are declared as a static and cannot be used as a local variable. So this is the main types of differentiation of the variable types. We will see example program for this. For local variable, it is declared inside the method. So we have three types. One is local, static, and instance variable. So instance variable, here listen. So in initial local is nothing but it will be declared inside a class, inside a method, and it cannot be used outside the method. So method in third line we have a method, and inside that we have int n equal to 90. So this is what local variable is. Outside this particular method we cannot access that particular n, or we cannot use that particular n. This is called local variable that will be visible or that will be used only inside the particular method. That is what local variable. N is a local variable. And for next static variable is declared inside a class but outside the method. So m equal to 100. Before static we can have a keyword called static. So static int m equal to 100. So this will not be changed in your program. So static it is declared inside a class but outside the method. So that is what static variable is. Next is inside the main. Inside a main we have an instance variable, so that cannot be used outside the that particular class. Instance variable, that is what instance variable is. So these are the three types of variables, and now we will see about operators. So in Java, as like you see in Java, we have we have these types of these many operators like unary operator, arithmetic, shift, relational, bitwise, logical, ternary, and assignment operators. So category is also called postfix, prefix. If we postfix is nothing but expression followed by operator. For example, expression plus plus, expression minus minus, and prefix is nothing but before that. So plus plus expression, minus minus expression, and all. And for arithmetic operations, we divided into two things. One is multiplicative and another one is additive. So for additive is like a plus and a minus, and remaining three operators or comes under multiplicative. And for shift, left shift, right shift, and double shift, those things will be for shift. And for relational, comparison and equality, comparison less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. And for equality, equal to, not equal to. So these are the things comes under relational. And for bitwise, addition and exclusive or inclusive, or so these things are called bitwise operator. And for logical, logical and or not. And for ternary, condition and is followed by that actions, true or false action. And for assignment, equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, divide equal to, modulus equal to, and equal to, so shift equal to, all the operators will comes under assignment operators. So in this video we saw about two things. One is variable and types and Java operators. Thank you.